Well, thanks, Agam. The most valuable company on planet Earth at the moment, that's Microsoft, founded on the 4th of April, 1975. Those are the founders in front of you. Also, with regard to just the trajectory in which the market cap has gone for the company, $3 trillion now in market cap. Just for context, 81% of India's current GDP of roughly $3.7 trillion. It's the largest company on earth in terms of market capitalization. Quickly onto some financial metrics. Well, revenue roughly 228 billion. This is a behemoth in itself. It clocks around $121 billion in EBITDA over the last 12 months. The growth has been roughly 14% over the last 12 months or so. It clocks a very, very healthy margin, 53%. Mind you, a lot of this is software and hence the margins are extremely high. And you look at that profit after tax, $83 billion of profit after tax in a single year is what this company clocks. Just in terms of some of the other financial metrics, well, yes, the price to earnings ratio, it's currently trading around the 35 PE mark. The highest in the last 5 years is at 41.3, so closer to the highest. And the lowest that we've seen is in Feb of 2022. Mind you, that's just before the rate hikes had started, and that PE was roughly 24 times. This, in terms of just revenue breakup, to try and understand where the revenue is coming from, just let's have a look at these four verticals alone. That drives 80% of Microsoft's revenues, 38% from server and cloud. But I want to start with my personal favorite, gaming. Xbox, 8% is what Xbox contributes to Microsoft's revenue numbers. Windows, no real explanation for that. You use it on your PC daily. MS Office as well on your PC daily. These are daily use software, and look at that, 33% of revenue comes from that. And then this one, server and cloud. That's something which Microsoft has really built on over the last 10 to 15 years, and it's done so very well in that, and that's contributing to a large chunk of the revenue now. Just moving quickly forward, we have how the stock has performed over the last 12 months or so. Just have a look at that performance, 66%. But since COVID, it's been a multi-bagger, 2.5 times. But let's try and pull this a little bit further. Since probably 74, the stock has given returns of almost 4,000x. So it's been a very, very solid wealth creator. Why so? 3 CEOs only in the last nearly 50 years of history for this company. Only 3 CEOs. 1974 to 2000, Bill Gates. Then was Steve Ballmer, a very good friend of Bill Gates for the longest time. And then we had Satya Nadella, who's leading it. Of course, Indian origin. Super proud of that. And he's doing a phenomenal job at the moment. Agam.